student. Today we are going to study a new topic from admission of partners chapter. It is a very important topic, my dear student, because most of the question comes from this topic, that is capital adjustment. My dear student, capital adjustment question always come to your council exam. Okay, so today I am going to teach capital adjustment on the basis of new partner. Okay, so I take an example. What S and R are two partners, they admit H as a new partner. The profit sharing ratio of S and R is 3:2. Okay, the capital of S and R adjusted, that is called adjusted capital. Okay, adjusted capital of S is 80,000 and R is 60,000 rupees. Come to the next. H brings capital rupees 35,000. Okay, and firm provide 1/5 share of profit, which is going to be acquired equally from S and R. Now, the old partner's capital is going to be adjusted on the basis of H capital to his share of in the business. My dear student, today how to calculate total capital of the new firm? There is a calculation total capital of the new firm. First you calculate working note in which we calculate total capital of the firm. What is the total? How to calculate the total capital of the firm? Reciprocal of H share multiply H capital, that is 35,000 rupees, is equal to, when you multiply you get 1,75,000, that is total capital of the firm. My dear student, now you have to calculate new profit sharing ratio of S and R. You have to calculate new profit sharing ratio, okay, of S and R. S and R, two partners. Okay, so you have to calculate what is the old share of S and R. Old share is 3/5 and R share is 2/5. So whatever they transfer, it means they sacrifice towards H. H is new partner here. Okay, H is new partner in this question. Towards H equally means 1/2. It means you have to calculate 1/5 multiply 2. 1/5 multiply 2. So when you deduct this from here, difference, that is called difference, you get a new profit sharing ratio of S and R. So 5/10. So when you deduct 5/10 and another is 3/10, and H share is already H share is 1/5. So you have to make a denominator equal, multiply 2/2, that is called 2/10. So new profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. Okay, new profit sharing ratio of 5:3:2. You have to keep remember. Okay, I am going to erase this one. So now you calculate. Now you calculate new capital of S and R. New capital of S and R. New capital of S and R. So you have to multiply 1,75,000 into 5 by 10. Okay, 1,75,000 multiply 3 by 10. So you cut it here and you got answer, and this way you have to calculate. So new profit, that is called 87,500, that is the new capital, and 52,500 is new capital. 52,500. So what you have to do, next task, you just calculate. I am going to this. Okay, did you note it? I am going to do next task. What you have to do, calculation. You have to do calculation of cash paid to be paid. Calculation of cash to be paid oblique brought by partners. It is a calculation of cash to be paid or brought by partner. In this situation, you have to write existing capital. Means whatever the capital, that is called adjusted capital. Existing capital of SR. Existing capital of S is how much? 80,000, which is called adjusted capital. You can also show that adjusted capital. It is also mentioned in the question. In long question you have to calculate, and adjusted capital of R is 60,000. Okay, it is correct. Now you have to write new capital. Means what is the new capital? The new capital is that 87,500 and R capital is 52,500. In this situation, you calculate the difference. Difference means you can just calculate the difference. You observe 7,500, that is excess. In this situation, 7,500, that is deficit amount. Okay, so we put it here bracket. My dear student, in this situation, what you observe, you first calculate the total capital of the firm with the help of the new profit sharing ratio of H. Okay, just put the reciprocal of 5 by 1, because in the question it is mentioned 1 by 5. You put the reciprocal and multiply the capital of the S here, that total capital of the firm is calculated. After that, you calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Then with the help of the new profit sharing ratio, you distribute this new capital of the firm among the old partner. Here total capital of the new firm is 1,75,000, multiply 5 by 10, that is called 87,500. In this situation, R capital is 1,75,000, multiply the R's new share 3 by 10 is equal to 52,500. Okay, it is correct. But now you have to do one thing also. You calculate the cash to be paid. Means who is going to pay? Means which partner is going to pay the cash, or you can calculate the who is going to bought a cash. So you have to do this way. Existing capital 80,000 of S. New capital of S is 87,000. In this situation, S has 7,500 excess capital. So X is going to withdraw. Okay, X is going to withdraw. So what is the withdraw entry? Simple, my dear student. Just do one journal entry for withdrawing entry. Just put it here. S capital account debited to cash account. 7,500. Okay. Next, come to the situation of R. R existing capital is 60,000. That is called adjusted capital. We can also say that adjusted capital or existing capital. In long question, this adjusted capital is going to be calculated with the help of the revaluation account, partners capital account. So R existing capital is 60,000, but new capital of R is 52,000. So you have to add 52,000. It means he is going to be a excess and deficit. What is the meaning of excess and deficit, my dear student? You have to understand this way also. In this situation, simple. Well, he had already a 60,000 rupees, but now new capital should be, so he is going to withdraw. You just write down withdraw, and he is going to pay. Okay, because he is going to pay and he is going to withdraw. For payment entry, you have to pass here simple journal entry. You have to pass simple journal entry, my dear student. What is the simple entry paid? He is going to pay cash account debit to S capital account. That is 7,500. In this situation, he is going to withdraw. What amount of he is going to withdraw? 7,000. So you just put the journal entry R capital debited to cash account. You have to write also bank account 7,500. My dear student, this is the journal entry and you have to calculate this also. So in this situation, you have also checked your self solution. It is a deficit case when you are going to find the difference. Okay. So what you observe, come to understand once again. This question, 80,000 is existing capital and new capital is 87,000. It means he is going to pay 7,500 in the form of cash to the firm. So this is journal entry cash account debited 7,500 to S capital account. In this situation of R, existing capital is 60,000 and 52,500 is new capital. So 7,500 is going to be drawn by R. So drawing entry is that R capital account debited to cash account. So I hope you have to understand how to calculate with the help of new partners capital account. This is the capital adjustment. Thank you, my dear student.